Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to do Skrill verification. Skrill allows users to verify their accounts after they have completed the registration process. When a person confirms their account, they gain access to various perks, including eliminating certain restrictions, a lower maximum transaction amount, and a higher maximum withdrawal amount. Furthermore, validating your account is a simple operation that can secure the security of your account and, as a result, the security of your funds. Faster verification is possible when registering your Skrill account via EWR, which is a VIP program for Skrill. Without further ado, let's head to the verification procedure. Users must supply additional information about themselves during their verification procedure, which is pretty simple. Sign in to your Skrill account by going to the website and entering your username and password. Once logged in the desktop site, go to the settings menu and click the verification button, and then verify now. If the users have not yet financed their accounts, they must put funds into their e-wallet. Users can then link their Facebook accounts so Skrill can collect essential user information from there, although this step is optional and can be omitted by choosing the No Thanks button. After choosing the No Thanks button, the site will direct you to a new page where you may either download the Skrill app or proceed to the desktop site to submit your identity papers. After selecting the second options, you must pick your nation and the sort of identity document you wish to use. Users can choose from their driver's license, identity card, or passport. Users are then given two options for uploading identity papers: snap a photo with your camera or upload documents from files. It is recommended that users pick the second option. Once you have finished uploading your photographs, you should notice a revolving symbol on the website indicating that your upload is processing. Please don't disrupt this process, and here's how the page should appear when it's finished. This message indicates that the users have successfully submitted their identity papers and may proceed to the next stage by selecting Continue. The next step is to verify the user's address. A notification will appear on the user's screen requesting them grant the website access to their current location. The user has two alternatives: accept admission to the notice and enable the site to utilize the user's current location, or manually input the location. If the user's geolocation fails, they should select the second option and submit the address document. The site immediately redirects visitors to the next page after the papers have been successfully submitted. The user verification process is now complete, and you should get a verification confirmation email to the email address you provided. Also, users who want to use other verification methods can also choose to get their account verified through the Skrill app, which is available on both Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Furthermore, users can also snap a picture of themselves instead of uploading one from their files. However, they need to ensure high quality, their face is recognizable, and the only person present in the photo. Once the process is completed, users are automatically signed up for the VIP status program. They can enjoy the benefits of the status level they stand at according to the transaction they make. Some of the benefits of verifying your Skrill account are making higher money transfers, receiving more money without your account being blocked, lower money transfer fees, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, deposit to your favorite online casino, sportsbook, and make gaming payments. Fund your poker account, for example. and also apply for Skrill MasterCard. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.